Inventory appears to be coming on the market now at the tail end of the late spring real estate market. This will give buyers more inventory, but not much. There was also less showing activity over the last week, which possibly can be attributed to spring break and to those on holiday. It's Friday, April 9th, 2021. I'm Kimberly Barton of Kinetic Realty with your Annapolis Real Estate Report, your weekly snapshot of what's happening at a local level here in Annapolis. Let's look at the inventory shift over this past week. Annapolis now has a total of 131 homes for sale, up 13% with a median sale price down to $569,500, and days on the market has been rising and now at 28 days. The inventory is still well below the 5-year average of 493 units, so fewer homes are offered up for sale. 34 homes were listed for sale since last Friday's report. 33 homes are coming soon, marking a small increase, while 20 homes went under contract since last week on pace. 24 are temporarily off the market, reflecting fewer temp offs than recently. 21 moved to pending, no change there since last report. 22 homes sold over the past week, down by half. The highest sale price was in Cape St. John for $1,700,000. Rental inventory remains tight and reduced to a dismal supply of only 14 homes. That's your Annapolis Real Estate Report for Friday, April 9th, 2021. I'm Kimberly Barton of Kinetic Realty. As always, give me a call at 443-837-5645 if you have any questions. Also, be sure to follow us on social media and subscribe to our podcast. Enjoy your weekend, and I'll see you next Friday.